How do you get reviews for your Amazon business? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Amazon has made it harder and harder to get reviews for your business. So in this video series, I'm going to show you exactly how to go about engineering your own reviews for your Amazon store. Now, if you haven't subscribed already to my channel, you want to do that because this is part of a seven video series all about a heap of different ways to get reviews for Amazon, ranging from completely white hat to absolutely black hat. So you want to make sure you subscribe. In this video, we're going to look at using review groups to help you engineer reviews for your Amazon business. We're moving into bordering on black hat. Now, the reason this is getting into black hat territory is because this is fundamentally riskier than everything I've shown you so far. Okay, so we're getting into higher and higher risk territory. So let's continue on. So review groups. Now, 5 weeks ago, 6 weeks ago, you could have probably used a Facebook review group. We wouldn't call it a review group, of course. Here's one here for your viewing pleasure. I'll post that link for you. Doink, send to all. You could probably use something like this to get your reviews, and that would have been okay, depending on which particular country you're getting reviews in. Again, I want to stress, Facebook treats the countries differently. Facebook has got different algorithms to detect fraud depending on the country you're in, and so does Amazon. So, they all treat things differently. So I wouldn't do any Facebook review groups. I wouldn't do that anymore. What I would do now is I'd use dedicated websites. So let me share some with you. I'm posting these in the links for you. Send to all. There's one. Latestfreestuff.co.uk is one I use in the UK for my UK store, and that works reasonably well. So with this kind of thing, what you have to take into consideration is that you will not get as high a ratio of sales to reviewers than you can get by doing other things. I'll show you some other things in just a wee while. But on average, you're going to get 1 in 3 people what buy your product on a site like this to leave you a review, which is still, by the way, much higher than normal. Normal is like 1 in 11, 1 in 15. So that's one of them anyway. Latest free stuff. The other one, this one's very, very good. My Vipon. Send to all. Super good. Love using these guys. This is another one. This is all over the place. Notice that there's just more than one. Like, I don't rely on one place to do this, okay? And neither should you. And neither should you. So we use this particular group in Germany, for instance, for our German store, and that's been really, really good for us to have them doing that in Germany. Works really, really well. So lots of strategies running all the time. You can't just do it once and forget about it. Because why can't you? Because people are constantly coming into your marketplace, constantly getting reviews. You have to be doing that too. You can't just kind of set it and forget it. Hi, I'm Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, and we've helped over 2,000 people right here in Australia start their very own profitable Amazon business and go from 0 to over $50 million in sales and growing on Amazon right here in Australia. We're the largest community of online sellers anywhere in Australia, and you can find out more at AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au.